You've been dreaming of that new car, right? Or maybe you're itching to finally buy your first home. But there's just one pesky obstacle in your way, a low Transunion score. It's like trying to climb a mountain with no gear. Frustrating, isn't it? Well, don't worry, because today, we're going to change that. We're diving deep into the world of credit scores, and I'm going to show you exactly how to boost your Transunion score fast. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why your credit score matters. It's like your financial report card. Lenders use it to determine whether you're a trustworthy borrower. A good credit score can save you thousands of dollars in interest rates on loans, credit cards, and even insurance. So, yeah, it's kind of a big deal. Okay, let's break it down. Your Transunion score is influenced by several factors. The big ones are payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, credit mix, and new credit. We'll go over each of these in detail, but for now, just know that they all play a role in determining that magical number. First things first, payment history. This is the biggest factor in your credit score. It's basically a record of how well you pay your bills. Late or missed payments can seriously damage your score. So, the golden rule here is to pay your bills on time, every time. Set up automatic payments if you need to. It's like setting a reminder for your most important appointment. Next up is credit utilization. This refers to how much of your available credit you're using. Ideally, you should keep your credit card balances low. Aim for 30% or less of your total credit limit. The lower your utilization, the better your score. So, pay down those balances and avoid maxing out your cards. Now, let's talk about the length of your credit history. The longer you've been managing credit responsibly, the better your score. It's like building trust over time. Older accounts contribute more to your score than newer ones. So, don't close old credit cards unless you absolutely have to. Credit mix is another factor. This refers to the different types of credit you have, like credit cards, loans, and mortgages. Having a mix of credit accounts can show lenders that you can handle different types of debt responsibly. So, don't be afraid to diversify your credit. Finally, new credit. Every time you apply for a new credit card or loan, it leaves a mark on your credit report. Too many inquiries can lower your score. So, avoid applying for credit unless you really need it. So, now that you know the factors that affect your credit score, let's talk about how to boost it quickly. One of the fastest ways to improve your score is to dispute errors on your credit report. Mistakes happen, and incorrect information can drag your score down. Check your report for any inaccuracies and dispute them immediately. Another quick win is to pay off any outstanding collections. These can seriously damage your score. If you can, pay them off as soon as possible. Increasing your credit limit can also help. This lowers your credit utilization ratio, which can boost your score. However, be careful not to overspend just because you have a higher limit. If you have high interest debt, consider consolidating it into a lower interest loan. This can help you pay off your debt faster and improve your credit score over time. Now, I want to be clear, there's no magic pill to instantly boost your credit score. Building good credit takes time and discipline. However, by following these tips and being consistent, you can see significant improvements in a relatively short amount of time. Remember, your credit score is a crucial part of your financial health. It opens doors to opportunities. So, treat it with the importance it deserves. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.